Hello girls, we're going to do a quick handwriting session this afternoon. We are pretty good now at forming our curly caterpillar letters, and I've just popped those up there for you to have a look at. If there's any of those that you find really tricky, you might want to have another go, and that's absolutely fine if you want to have a little practice of those. But we're going to think about one-armed robot letters today, because I've noticed in some of the work that you've been sending in to me, these are the ones we're a little bit lazy on sometimes. So we're going to have a practice. I'm going to go through some of our one-armed robot letters today. We'll practice them in the air. Then if you've got a whiteboard of your own or a chalkboard, you can practice them there, or you can practice them on paper. I'm going to go outside and practice in the garden as well after this with some chalk, so that's a good idea as well to practice doing them a bit bigger. But I'll just show you a few on here to get us started. So the first one that's a one-armed robot letter is a R or an R. So we start at the top, we come down, then we come back up, and we come over. So what you have to think is that this is your robot, this is his head up here, you come down and then you give him one arm. He's just got one arm. So that's why they're called one-armed robot letters. I'm going to rub that off so we don't get lots of squiggles on the top. So that's a R. So if you can get your magic fingers out for me, we're going to start at the top. You're going to come down, back up and round. Maybe try again, maybe try on your table or on the carpet. So you're going to start at the top, you're going to come down, come up and round. And it's a nice arc that comes round, not a squiggle. Okay, next one-armed robot letter. Let's do, it's a bit like a R, it carries on from a R, it's a N or a N. So we start at the top, we come down, we come back up, we come round, and we keep going. And then we can have a little flick at the bottom, but I don't like to see this, and I don't like to see the flick going all the way up, because then it looks like a different letter. So just be careful that you keep them nice and neat. Okay, let's practice that one together. Magic fingers out, everybody. Start at the top. We're going to come down. We're going to come back up and round, right the way down, and then just a little flick on the end. Okay, carrying on even further with our one-armed robot. We're going to do a or an M. So we're going to start at the top, we come down, we come back up, we come round, we come back up, and we come round again. Let's practice that one together because that's quite tricky. So we start at the top, we come down, we come back up and round and up and round, and then again you can just do a little flick on the bottom. Okay, next one-armed robot letter. This one we find quite tricky. We do not write this letter like this. Okay, I see that a lot and I don't like it. So I'm going to rub that one off. So it's a B or a B, and it's a one-armed robot letter, so it has a slightly longer neck. So we come down and then we come up to about halfway. We come round and then we join it up. Okay, so that's what your B should look like, not like a box. Okay, another one. Let's try let's practice that one actually first, sorry. Magic fingers out, start at the top. We're going to come down, up, round. Nice, like a nice big belly for the robot that time. Okay, next one we'll do is P or P. So we start at the top, we come down, we come back up to the top, we come round and make it look like that. You can leave a little neck at the top, but not too long, okay? And I think that's enough for us to practice today. So let's practice up quickly and then we can go away and practice somewhere else. So let's start at the top, down, up, round. Good, and remember that is a descender, isn't it? So that one comes below the line. Okay, let's go and practice outside with some chalk. Okay, so I'm going to practice some chalking of my one-armed robot letters outside. You could do them nice and big, you probably can't see that, you could do them on the fence. Just a quick disclaimer, if you're going to go chalking on your fence or outside everywhere, make sure you ask your mums or daddies before you do it.